Bridge course, day 33, subject Maths, standard 5th. Area, fraction. Unit, the meaning of fraction, reading and writing fraction. And the subunit is half, quarter and 3/4. Let's remember. Let's take a look at what we learned about half quarter and 3/4 last year by learning fractions. Half. One cake is to be equally divided between Madhura and Rita. The cake is cut into two equal parts. One part is given to each Madhura and Rita. So, Rita got half the cake and Madhura got half the cake. This is the whole cake. And Madhura got half cake and Rita got half cake. When one cake is divided into two equal parts, each of the part is one half or the whole cake. One half of the whole is shown by the fraction 1/2 or half. Now, quarter. The same cake is to be distributed equally among Madhura, Rita, Salim and Anand. Divide the cake into 4 equal parts and one part is given to each. This is the whole cake and this cake is to be distributed equally among Madhura, Rita, Salim and Anand. The cake is divided into 4 equal parts. Each of the part is a quarter. This is the quarter of this cake. Each of the part is a quarter of the whole. 1/4 is shown by the fraction 1/4. This part of cake is shown like 1/4. In the fraction of the number written above, the line is the numerator. 1/4 is the fraction. And in the fraction, the number written above the line is the numerator. 1 is the numerator and the number written below the line is the denominator. 4 in this fraction is the denominator. In the fraction 1/4, the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 4. 1/4 is read as 1/4 or 1/4. Now 3/4. Rita, Madhura, Anand bought a cake together. Divided it into 4 equal parts. This is the cake they bought together and they divided this cake into 4 equal parts. They three took one part each. Madhura got this part, Rita got this part and Anand got this part. The rest was set aside for Salim and this remaining part rest for Salim. Rita, Madhura and Anand got 1/4 each. Madhura got this part, Anand got this part and Rita got this part. Means quarter plus quarter plus quarter equal to 3/4. Then half plus quarter equal to 3/4. The three of them got 3/4 of the whole cake. 3 quarters is shown by the fraction 3 upon 4. And 3 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. 3 upon 4 is read as 3/4 or 3 upon 4 like this. Now it's a revision. Identify what the colored part of the figures below represents half quarters. Now we have to identify the color part of the figure below which represents half quarters. Now here is fraction, then how many equal parts, then how many parts are colored, and colored part of the figure. This quarter, half, 3/4 and whole. Now we are going to the figure number 1. In this figure, how many equal parts are there? There are 4 equal parts. How many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts colored. Then which fraction we got? We got 3/4, this fraction. Now go to the second figure. In this figure, how many equal parts are there? There are 2 equal parts. How many parts are colored? 1 part colored. Then which fraction we got? We got 1 upon 2 or half. Then go for the third figure. In this figure, how many equal parts? There are 4 equal parts. And how many parts are colored? 1 part is colored. Then which fraction we got? We got quarter. Now the figure you have to identify the fraction. It's your homework. Now let's solve. Here we have 6 figures which shows the fractions or which represents the fraction. These 6 figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we have to identify which fraction represents. For example, in this figure, how many equal parts are there? There are 4 equal parts. How many parts are colored? 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts are colored. Written in fraction 3 upon 4 or 3/4. Reading the fraction 3 upon 4. Now you have to solve the remaining figures by yourself and it's your homework.